Hello everyone, I'm Julia from Tiantai Cable. Now I'm taking you to visit our factory.
Now I bring this design. This is US standard power cord with 3 pins. This is a high quality power cord with a US standard 3-pron plug. Fully compliant with North American electrical safety standards. It features a live pin, nature pin, and ground pin for complete grounding protection. Greatly improves electrical safety. The table is wrapped in flat PVC insulation, which is flexible, wear-resistant, and durable for long-term use. If you want to know more details, please contact with me.